Hi, I'm Dr. Stuart Cox.
And I'm Dr. Jared Norman, and we're with Nevada Spine and Disc. We'd like to give you a chiropractic tip. One question I get asked all the time is, how do I stretch my neck? Now, most people have neck pain, and that neck pain is usually in the back of their neck, and so that's the area that they typically stretch. However, there are muscles all around our neck, in the front, on the side, and the back, and it is very imperative, very important to stretch all the muscles in the neck. So the best way to do that is to sit in a chair where you can grab the edge of the chair. So you can grab the edge of the chair and you're going to lean to the opposite side. Okay, the hand that's holding the chair is just holding your shoulder down. So you're just going to lean to the opposite side and tilt your head. Now this part of the stretch is going to stretch these middle muscles, the side muscles of your neck. And while you're in this position, just go ahead and look down. Okay, now you're going to start feeling it in the back of your neck, which is probably where your pain is. Now you're going to hold that, and then after you do that, you're going to look up, still leaning to the side, tilting your head to the side, and looking up. And that's going to stretch the front muscles in your neck. Okay, so each one of those positions you're going to want to hold for about 20 seconds. So 20 seconds on the side, 20 seconds looking down, 20 seconds looking up. And then you're going to do that on both sides. And this will help you stretch your neck muscles very well. One of the biggest objections that I've heard of people actually going to a chiropractor is that they've heard that the adjustments can be painful or very uncomfortable. If that's a concern or an objection that you have, then I would recommend finding a chiropractor that utilizes a computerized form of adjusting called the Pro Adjuster. Now the Pro Adjuster is a computerized form of adjusting which is very comfortable and very safe. And all of our patients that we have that utilize this treatment, they love it, and they actually prefer this type of treatment over the other manual treatments. There are many benefits in being treated with the Pro Adjuster. One is that there is no pain or discomfort with the treatment. Two is that you can actually get the same amazing results as you would get with the traditional chiropractic, but once again without that pain or discomfort. And number three is that you can actually see on the computer screen a scan of how the spine is moving before the treatment and then once again after the treatment. And with that scan, you'll be able to see if the treatment that you have received has been effective in the treatment of your neck or low back pain.
If you're currently seeing a chiropractor and you're wondering about during what length of time would you expect to begin to experience positive results where the level of pain is beginning to subside, I would recommend to you as a chiropractor that unless you've been involved in a rather serious accident, that typically with, I would say, 80 to 90% of patients who go to a chiropractic office will begin to see positive results within 2 weeks. And if you're not receiving results within 2 weeks, it might potentially be time for you to consider asking the doctor what his expectations for you are. Because as a chiropractor, I can tell you that those a 2-week window from beginning through the second week, you definitely should begin to notice improvements. And if the chiropractor that you are seeing is not able to give you a reasonable explanation, it might be time for you to consider a second opinion. If you've liked what you've heard and you'd like to know more, visit us at stopthebackpainnow.com.